Good afternoon, class. Today I'm going to show you how to create a demand graph in a Word document. First, open a Word document. As you can see, I have one open with a data table already in place. Next, go to Insert and click on Chart. As you can see, there are many types of charts to choose from, but in this case, we want a line graph. I always pick line with markers, but that is just a personal preference. Click OK. An Excel book will appear. I always adjust the Excel book to make it a little longer so I can see what I'm typing. Where it says Series 1, type D. This will stand for our original demand, what I have in the data table. Where it says Series 2, type D1. This stands for demand increase. And finally, in Series 3, type D2. This is our demand decrease. In column A, you are going to type in the quantity. You want to type it smallest to largest, and you want to make up a number that is smaller than your smallest number. For my chart, I'm going to start with 0. Begin typing in your data. You also want your last number to be bigger than your biggest number. For my chart, I'm going to end with 18,000. In the D column, you need to put in your price. However, you need to make sure it looks like your data table. This means leave the first and last spaces blank, like this. Make sure your price is going from largest to smallest. Again, your quantity needs to go from smallest to largest, but your price needs to go from largest to smallest. This is our original demand line. It will be in between our demand increase and decrease. In the D1 column, you want to put in the price, but leave the first two spaces blank, like this. And in the D2 column, put in the price, but leave the last two spaces blank, like this. As you can see, we have filled in our Excel book. You can now click the X in the upper right-hand corner. Now we have a complete graph with the lines going from the upper left to the bottom right. We are not quite done. There are some things we need to label. To title your chart, simply click on Chart Title. I'm going to title mine Demand for Video Games because my prices line up with video game prices. Now I just need to label my axes. To do this, click on where it says Chart Tools Design and go to Add Chart Element. Click on Axis Titles, Primary Horizontal. You will type quantity. Go back to Add Chart Element, again to Axis Titles, then to Primary Vertical. This time you will type price. There is our completed chart. I hope this video has been instructional for you, and you now know how to make a demand graph in a Word document.